Lake steam. It is Scott's.
I'm loving it.
You're loving it.
We like this outfit. Let's talk about it. Yeah, we like the scarf and the sweater.
Well, you got to bundle up. You know, when you have feels like temperatures that are 0 degrees to almost 12 degrees below zero, you definitely want to make sure that you bundle up. I'm loving the weather today because it is so interesting, all the different weather phenomenon that's happening, these weather events for us. So this is a picture right now from our CBS Texas storm chaser, Jason McLaughlin. Look at that. You can see more of the snow flurries around, even this lake steam that has developed as we have this cold air over the warmer lake water. So a great picture there from Jason. Thanks for getting that shot for us. We'll be able to see more as the sun continues to rise this morning. So we've also been talking about the lake effect snow. Are we seeing that here in parts of North Texas? Let me break down what lake effect snow is. So you can see that we have warmer water, maybe water temperatures in the 50s. You have the colder land temperatures, maybe the 30s for us. So what happens is you do have this colder air riding over the warmer water. We see the clouds developing, picking up that moisture that's been evaporating from the lake, and then that condenses a bit more, and then downwind from where we have that wind flow happening is where we start to see the snow continue to fall. So are we seeing that here in North Texas? There's a small possibility, and it's not a really common event for us here in North Texas, but we're seeing the winds blowing over some of our area lakes from the northwest to the southeast. And so when you have a north to south oriented lake, that's where we're seeing maybe some of this light snow developing, or this lake effect snow. So let's take a look right now what's going on our first alert radar to show you what I'm talking about. Zooming our way down. Let me step on over here to the chroma key, but I've zoomed in and I've circled one area. You can see here's Louisville. Here's Louisville Lake. You see this band that's been continuing from the northwest down to the south and east. Let me step on out of the way to show you that we've been seeing this almost persistent over the last hours or so. So I'm a little bit more inclined to think this might be a little bit more lake effect snow that's happening. You can see the lake is a north to south oriented lake. Our winds are out the northwest to the south and east. Are we seeing that happening in parts of Tarrant County? Possibly near Benbrook Lake, possibly near Lake Bridgeport. So it's something we're keeping our eyes on. Benbrook Lake, not seeing that really being picked up a lot, but we're seeing some spotty areas of some light snow around as well, and also maybe some snow drizzle developing with a lower cloud deck. It's a lot happening meteorologically this morning.